Happy Friday and welcome back to the Crypto Report. We are going live in just 2 short minutes. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, guys, and we are live. Happy Friday. Welcome, good morning, good afternoon, my friends. Guys, yes, the Pepe live stream. What? Crypto Kip's talking about Pepe today? I am. I'm talking about a 30x move for Pepe, which, you know, could happen. Is it going to happen? That's not what I'm saying. But I am saying that it could, and I'm going to show you why. Because I believe we're going to have a massive bull run. You guys know that by now. I'm very bullish on this asset class as a whole, and Pepe is the chosen one. And we still haven't had a Coinbase listing for this coin, but I want to show you guys why. I think, honestly, in terms of meme coins, this is probably one that's at an incredible discount. Now, if we see the total market for crypto continue to kind of come down a little bit, we see Bitcoin have a troublesome end of August, troublesome September, and then we go into October, right? But troublesome September, troublesome August. Then, you know, hey, Pepe could have some more downside. But I do believe that a 30x is possible, and I think a 10x could be quite simple for Pepe. So I want to talk about it. I don't typically talk about this token because I like to focus on the ones that, you know, I don't love to focus on some of the big memes because really, once they go so high in market cap, it's like, how high can they go? Well, we can look at some of the others to kind of figure it out. I like playing with some of the smaller market cap memes because I believe, like, for example, like Welsh on Stacks, right? I believe the Stacks ecosystem is going to come up. I think Welsh is the top meme in that ecosystem, and so, boom, I'm bullish on that meme too. You know, on Cronos, you know, I like the Ka, I like the Mary token. I like some of those coins because, again, these are low cap memes in a network that's brand new, that's up and coming. I'm bullish on Cronos, so I'm bullish on the memes in the space. Pepe is the chosen one. It's like the prophet, the prophet frog, okay, of this bull market, okay? Every conference that I've gone to, everybody across the board in crypto knows Pepe. It's a meme that's been on the internet for a very long time. I think Pepe is going to make some good moves still. And 5 months ago when it was up at its peaks, and I got these crazy, look at this, guys. Look what happens with these crazy. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? I don't know why that does that. But, you know, I didn't love the idea of buying Pepe 6 months ago when it was at its highs, but now it's not at its highs. And, you know, I mean, Pepe's here to stay. I think So let's get into it, guys. I got some other news stories. It's not just a Pepe only stream, but we wouldn't be called the Crypto Report if we'd be called the Pepe Report if this was a Pepe only stream. I'm going to be talking to you guys about, a lot, okay? I'm going to be talking to you guys about a lot in this video, but I will hone in on Pepe later on. So welcome back. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'm Crypto Kip. We've got 13 viewers, 10 likes. Let's get some more likes. Let's get some more viewers too. Light on a Friday. Y'all are busy on this Friday morning. Shout out to Lionel Stanhope. Shout out to Mike Dicka's mustache. Stallion beef, sausage and peppers. Got Mike Dicka's mustache. We got Ed Summers. Yo. Shout out to you. Welcome back. And see the buffs. I don't know how to say your name. And Crypto Runner. Shout out to you. Waldo Crypto, a legend, and BSS in the chat. Welcome back, guys. If you haven't done so, crush the like button. Break the thumb on the like. If you're watching on your mobile, just double tap that screen and let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. So today, let me refresh the charts. Let me refresh those charts for you. Bitcoin, $57,900. Let's see the chart for the BTC. Everybody's talking about the BTC. Bitcoin, we were slipping down lower yesterday. We came all the way down to, 56 yesterday. Ouch. But today, boom, boosting back up earlier. We were up to almost 59. So we're just kind of doing this thing. Now, I told you guys I could see this thing coming back up to the top of this range. I still expect that. Note that the total market cap is down from its highs. Look at this move. Kind of following Bitcoin. Same similar pattern right there. And you know what? Now I'm realizing I should have pulled up my my Pepe chart. So let me pull up my Pepe chart too, because I've got a lot of other Pepe things lined up for you. But let's pull that Pepe chart up. Now Pepe, down from its highs, is right now down 59-60%. That's pretty darn good. That's a pretty darn good discount, okay? That's a pretty darn good discount, okay? Now, I don't think the Pepe is going to come back down to these levels until like the bear market, okay? And in the bear market, it could easily come back down to these levels. Maybe this will be the consolidation area at the bottom of the bear market after we blast off a lot higher. But I think, realistically, we could come back down to kind of these areas over here for Pepe in the bear market. But why are we talking about a bear market? Because I'm looking for that bull market, guys. I'm looking for that bull market, and until we get, again, that parabolic break through the total market cap high, which we still have not seen, bull market is not concluded. And if the bull market is not concluded, then guess what? Pepe coin, the chosen one, the biggest meme of this bull market, arguably, right? Shiba Inu, I know people love Shiba Inu. Dogecoin, I know, Elon Musk, Dogecoin, fine. Bonk was huge on Solana, but Pepe coin, it was like the first big meme in the summer of 2023 when we were so bored, right in the bottom of the bear market, when things just were starting to pick up. It was Pepe. And you got Holy Cheem in the chat saying purple Pepe, and then there's all these purple Pepes, and then there's the Pepe, and there's the Pepe, and there's the Pepe, and there's all these other Pepe coins because Pepe. So let's just focus on Pepe. Pepe's down 60% from its highs. It's like the chosen one, okay? It's like the chosen one of this bull market in terms of memes. Again, we've been to crypto conferences in person, me and Black Sea. There's consensus around Pepe, okay? It's down 60% from its highs. If this total market cap breaks to new highs, you don't think Pepe is going to do so as well? So we're going to get into Pepe a little bit more. I'm gonna circle back to it. Let's look at some of the biggest gainers, biggest losers on the day, okay? On the day, and we'll see what's going on. So, looking at the last 24 hours, these 24 hours, Mike Dicka's mustache has me incentivized to talk like Mike Dicka. 24 hours, not a lot is down today, in terms of up. Excuse me, I was wrong. Not a lot is up today, a lot is down. Pepe's down 12% today. So yes, I'm talking about a 30x Pepe on a day where Pepe coin and Dog with Hat and Buck, the three most popular memes right now, really the large cap memes, these are crashing. They're crashing. Okay. Pepe's down 12%. Pepe's down 16% over the last 7 days. That's a discount, folks. Folks, it's a discount, folks. Okay? It's a discount. Could we discount lower? Yes. If August is bearish, if September is bearish, August is still red for the month. If September is red for the month, could be in for some more pain. Could we go to a 44K Bitcoin? We could. I don't like to talk about it. I'm sensitive. No, I don't want to talk about a 44K Bitcoin, but I will talk about a 50K Bitcoin. We'll talk about a 49K Bitcoin. We saw those levels. We could see it again. But right now we get the Fear and Greed Index showing us we're neutral. These are the buying opportunities, my friends. And so, we'll come back to this 30x Pepe, but I'll tell you right now, you got a nice 15%, 16%, 17% discount on the Pepe, on the PEPE, okay? So just remember, it's down 60% from its highs. Dog with Hat on a beautiful discount as well, no problem with that. Great dollar cost averaging opportunity for your memes. If you got some Dog with Hat and you're holding to the floor, you could pick some more up maybe. This chart doesn't look as great as Pepe, but I'll tell you, Dog with Hat certainly took the crypto community by storm. We've got 23 viewers right now, only 13 likes. Let's get those likes up. Waldo is asking, do you still think Grayscale Stacks Trust will be bullish in the future? Yeah, I do think so. And I'll tell you what, you're saying, hey, I'm buying Stacks and Welsh in that dip that was low. I'm bullish, but love a discount on BCN. I love that strategy as well. Lorenzo in Tokyo, one of our members on the channel. What's up, Lorenzo in Tokyo? I love that name. Everything is at a discount. If you're not buying right now, you are a damn fool, he says. I couldn't agree more. No, I'm not going to call anybody a fool. Maybe it's not right? Maybe people can't afford to buy right now. Things are tough. I just hope that you guys, if you're interested in crypto, you've been DCAing, you've been accumulating at the low points if you can, and then taking profit on the way up, right? But I hear where you're coming from, Lorenzo in Tokyo. Love that name. Shout out to you. So yes, today not a lot is up, as you can see, and a lot is down. So today's a red day. Altcoins are getting wrecked right now. Altcoins are getting wrecked, and Bitcoin is not. Bitcoin dominance still climbing. Bitcoin dominance up to 56% on CoinMarketCap, getting close to that 60% level. There is a prediction out there, and I think it's a darn good prediction, okay? The prediction is that Bitcoin is going to achieve 60+% dominance, and when the Fed pivots, that is about when we're going to see that peak out. And then after Bitcoin does that and the Fed pivot rate cut comes, then we're going to see the altcoins bounce. But in the meantime, altcoins could bleed. So more discounts ahead. We could get some blood in the streets, but I'm not worried about it. Lorenzo in Tokyo says, it's because I live in Tokyo. I love that, man. Now, are you born and raised in Tokyo? Are you an American in Tokyo? What's the scoop? It's Summer says, have you heard of S-Boy? It looks like a scam. I have not heard of that. Probably is a scam. I have no idea. Crypto Runner says, I tried to make some money with Sui earlier this week and got wrecked when the market started going down. Oh no. I was saying, hey, we can go to $2 of that Sui token, but it was pumped. It was over pumped. That was more of a short call at that point in time. I was bullish for the $2. We were above $1. I was impressed with the pump, but we had some news come out, and then it's a buy the rumor, sell the news. The news came out, pumped a little bit, and then as that news kind of withered away and people cared less about the news breaking about it, then, and it was, I think it was some company doing a trust. Maybe it was Grayscale. Maybe it was another firm. I can't remember. You gotta be careful with that stuff. If you hear a good news story about a coin, yeah, you might see a pump for like a couple hours or a day or two, but then there's probably going to be a retracement. Okay, so we got to be careful with that stuff. Sorry to hear that, Crypto Runner. Got to be careful with that stuff. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice there, but that's the way my brain works around it anyway, and I'm happy to share that with you, insight into my brain, at least. Lorenzo in Tokyo is an American in Tokyo, living with his girlfriend and starting a business. What kind of business? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I gotta come to Tokyo. I want to see Tokyo. Best food in the world down there, probably. Crypto Kip, what is your timeline for the bull market? Do you think it'll end October, November of 2025 with all the sideways action? Lorenzo in Tokyo with a great question. Look, I think that, here is the deal, and I'm going to get to some of these news stories, but I love this little Q&A portion, and I'm sure you guys enjoy it too. I think it's always good to have a conversation with the audience instead of talking at you guys, because you know, who wants somebody else just talking at you? Sometimes I got to talk at you because nobody's vocal, but hey, if Crypto in Tokyo's talking, well, then let's talk. Let's talk, guys, and if you guys, any y'all out there have any other questions, let's talk. I'm going to a wedding tonight, by the way. Going to my sister-in-law's wedding. Should be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. I got a wife, pregnant as could be. She's a bridesmaid. Don't know how she's going to stand up there for hours, but she's got to figure it out. So I'm getting to your question here, Lorenzo in Tokyo. So here's the scoop, my friend. Here's all we have to go off of. All we have to go off of is what happened in the past. So again, for those of you just joining, Lorenzo in Tokyo asks, Crypto Kip, what is your timeline for this bull market? Do you think we end October, November of 2025 with all the sideways action? Beep, boo boo bop. And then we got Peen. We got the Peen in the chat. Oh man. Talking about Danny. Danny, you know, I know who's behind that. I like the guy behind it. I'll tell you. I hope that coin does well. I don't own any. I didn't buy any. I didn't really look into it, but I know who's behind it. I like that guy. Anyway, let's get to your question, Lorenzo. So here's what we have to go off of, okay? Historically, these bull markets, and you know what? Here, let's do total market cap. All right? How long is the bull market going to last? Well, from the low in 2014 to the high in 2018. And that's 2015, January 2015. The low to the high, 2018. It lasted 1,000 days, okay? It lasted 1,000 days. You're going to, Summers is going to invite me to your next wedding. Uh-oh. How many weddings we got at Summers? I only want to do one wedding. That's all I want. That's all I want. One wedding, and then I can go to other people's weddings. But I only want to have one wedding. Sir, my friend. Oh, that's funny. Maybe it's not. But anyway, it's Lorenzo in Tokyo. The 2015 to the 2018 stretch of bull market. From the bottom to the top, 1,085 days. From the bottom of 2018 to the top of 2021, we went 1,064 days. Do you see where I'm going? This is the total market cap, my friend. Now, where are we at? We are from the lows, and let's call the low. So far, and that's close. Let's say we go 1,000 and, well, we did 1,080 days, the first bull market. We did 1,060, so let's just call it 1,000, right? Because you don't want to pull out too late, right? Right? Am I right? I'm right. You don't want to pull out too late. You got to take that profit, and I was talking about profit. Don't let your mind stray out there. I was talking about profit. Let's just call it 1,000 days. Again, first bull market, 1,080 days. Second bull market, 1,060 days. This bull market, 1,000 days. Maybe more. Let's just call it 1,000 days. That takes us to August of 2025, okay? So, okay, vow renewal, that is. That's better in Summers. That's better. Let's say it goes to the longest bull market we ever had. If we have the longest bull market in history, November is the very latest, it can go, right? Or let's say we go to 1,100 days, that's December. Let's say we go to 1,060 days like the last bull market, that's October of 2025. Let's say we go to 1,040 days, that's September 2025. Let's just say we go 1,000 days, that's August 2025. And so what I'll tell you guys is summers can be tough. You've seen it. Summers are tough for crypto. We don't see a lot of really great summers. We don't. We got 29 viewers right now, 16 likes. Do me a favor, smash a like. Smash that like, guys. So let's just call it 1,000 days is what this bull market's supposed to be. Okay. So let's say it's going to end, 1 year from today. You got 365 days left at best, in my mind. And that's being conservative, more conservative. Unless this time it's different and we go higher for longer. But I'm not waiting for that. I'm trying to change my life before that, and I think you guys know that we'll have an opportunity to do so if we stay on track with anything we got going on. So to answer your question, when do I think that the bull market's going to end? Look, I think that it's going to probably end. October would be the latest I see it going. The most realistic expectation that I have is that this is going to be a shorter, more explosive bull run, and I could envision us going into January, February, March, April is explosive. May, June, July is stinky, no, and then maybe August is good again and it's over. October could be good. November could be good at 2025, but I'm not gonna bank on that, right? And so we'll take it as it goes. It's hard to make a strict prediction on that, but that's kind of where the mindset is. And so we'll circle back to what Pepe can do. And again, I'm going to talk about this 30x Pepe idea. Lorenzo in Tokyo says 1 year would be nice. I'll get into that long-term capital gains bracket. You know what? I used to be all about that long-term capital gains. You know what? I'm just trying to make sure I get out into positions with profit. And so, it is good to have some long-term capital gains. That's good, especially with like a Bitcoin position or an Ethereum position or a Solana position or some of the bigger cat coins. But if you're talking about like a meme, get in, get out, maybe you're doing some longer term swing trades with that stuff, but take that profit, y'all. Take that profit if you can. If you got profit, go on, take your money and run. Woo, 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 so do it. Okay. Let's get into some of the news stories. That was a good little out of the gate bit for the video, so I enjoyed that. Thanks for that question, and if anybody has any other questions, please let me know. Liquidations, let's just see what the liquidations look like today before we hop into some of the news. A couple big longs were squeezed out on the 14th. Always leverage getting lost. Yesterday, not too much, really. We're, not getting a lot of crazy volatility. I mean, we are volatile, no doubt, but up and down in the same range, from 56 to 59K. We're just doing the thing, guys. We're just doing the thing. Lorenzo in Tokyo says it's 1 a.m. here in Japan. You got it. Oh man, I'll let you know when I visit Tokyo. Hit me up on Twitter. Hit me up on X. I like you. Okay. So, breaking news: Trump owns more than $1 million in crypto. Not that surprising. He has his NFT lines. Apparently made 300K on branded Bibles too. Anyway, just a quick story. Interesting. He owns $1 million in crypto. He's very pro-crypto. Let's see what the devs do. Let's see what, RFK continues to talk about. Let's see how, crypto and politics continue to intertwine. But here's a big story right now. Bitcoin price bounces 4% as triple death cross sparks. We're getting triple death cross. We've got a death cross in crypto right now, guys. That is for sure. And so every time we've seen a death cross, actually, I mean, most of the time, not every time, like 60% of the time, it's a bullish event. Though September can be bearish, so we got to be careful for it. Be aware of the death cross. Don't be scared of the death cross. Look for dollar cost averaging opportunities. Just an interesting story I want to share with you guys that it's probably on people's minds today. But let's talk about this Pepe idea. So Pepe price prediction for 2024 through 2030. Is Pepe meme coin set for a blast in 2024? There's a lot of articles like this. Pepe could reach a maximum of 3012 by the end of 2024. You can get into all these little prediction articles, and I hate these things. I don't like these. If you're looking these up, this is not your investment strategy, my friends. This is not your investment strategy, nor should it be your investment strategy. What you should be looking at, however, is am I in the profit, and did I take profit, and am I taking profit consistently in this asset class? If you're looking up Pepe price prediction 2024, as maybe some of you guys did to click on this video, or Pepe price prediction 2025, that could be a dangerous game, because then you're going to have that price in mind, and you're going to, wait for that price to hit, and you might not take profit on the way up. And honestly, a lot of these price predictions by these outlets like this, they're usually extremely conservative, and I'm usually more bullish than a lot of these predictions, because they're focused on definitely 100% being right and doing a super conservative pick, which is you know, a good idea for a quick little move. But if you're here in crypto, you're looking to make some good money. And so how do we get a 30x? Well, here it's very simple, guys. Very simple. If Pepe can achieve the all-time high market cap of Dogecoin, it's a 29x. Boom, bing, boom, mic drop. Ah, that's a 30x for Pepe, okay? Now, if we see Pepe flip the current market cap of Doge, that's a 4.85x. If we see Pepe coin flip the current market cap of Shiba Inu, that is a 2.6x. And if we see it flip the all-time high for Shiba Inu, that's a 13.97x. Now, I think that this is possible, and I think this is possible because, you know, Pepe right now is one of the most popular meme coins, and it was a huge internet meme. Everybody knows Pepe the Frog. It's a big 4chan meme. For those of you guys know 4chan, great. If you don't need to. Just know it's a huge internet meme. It's been around for a long time, and there are so many replica coins of Pepe the Frog that it's actually unbelievable. It is the one coin that took us out of the bear market, and it stoked a lot of excitement in the market. And every conference that I've gone to, everybody agrees that like Pepe is like the chosen one. Now, if you look at like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you'll notice that it is still not listed on Coinbase, which is shocking. It's still not listed on Coinbase, which is crazy to me. I think it's going to get listed on Coinbase at some point in this bull market, and when it does, it's probably going to get a massive, massive pump. I want you guys to remember that in total, you know, again, Crypto Kip, you think that Pepe is going to flip the all-time high of Doge? Look, I think that Doge is going to flip the all-time highs of Doge. I think that that could easily happen. I think that a lot of coins are going to break their all-time highs, and I certainly believe that the top meme coins have a good chance of doing that as well. When we see this total market cap break out to the upside, and when we see the total market cap, which was at 1.3 trillion, and it is currently at 2 trillion, go to $10 trillion, you're literally talking about, guys, you're literally talking about $8 trillion flowing into this space. $8 trillion flowing into this space. That is $100 billion. Does that make sense to you? That is $100 billion. Why did I say it like that? Because the truth is if you look at the all-time high for Dogecoin, and it's absolutely ridiculous, it is absolutely insane. The all-time high for Dogecoin was almost $100 billion, okay? I think this can happen. I think this can happen because there's 100 billions coming in. And Pepe is a top-tier meme. People like meme coins. I think we could see a 30x for Pepe. I said it. Now, am I waiting around for a 30x for Pepe? I'm not waiting around for a 30x for Pepe. I'm looking for a 2x. I'm looking for a 5x. I'm looking for a nice and easy 10x even. I'm not waiting for a 20x, and I'm not waiting for a 30x. Might I have a moon bag that is prepped and ready to go for this whole bull market to get the full advantage of the move on Pepe? Maybe I am. Maybe I am. But I'm not going to hold the whole bag for the entire thing. That's for sure. And so this is the way that I like to look at it. I look at market caps. I also like to note that Pepe's tokenomics are better than Dogecoin's tokenomics. That's an advantage. So let's keep that in mind, guys. Can Pepe 30x? It can. Is it going to? I don't know. I'm not going to say that it will. It could, though. Because there's $100 billion coming in. $8 trillion potentially coming into this market cap, guys. Not the market cap, into this total market cap for crypto, yeah. So that's what I'm looking at. Those are some of the things that I'm focused on. It's Summer says, before you go there to come out to Ohio and buy you a steak. That sounds pretty good. So steak and then sushi. Man, that sounds great to me. Two of my favorite foods. I love it. John316 in the chat. Blessings to you, my friend. Have you guys smashed the like button? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you done it? Mr. Peen says, waiting on that Coinbase listing for Pepe and Brett. Yes, Brett too. And a Mary listing on CDC, but when? Probably when the bull market picks back up. Probably when that bull market picks back up. Ohio, steaks in Ohio. That sounds good to me, man. You know, we watch a lot, me and my wife, we watch a lot of cooking channel YouTube. I love YouTube. That's why we got a YouTube. I love YouTube. I want to make a living off of YouTube. I want to watch YouTube. I enjoy it for content. I enjoyed it for work. It's great. But I watch a lot of cooking. I've been looking at a lot of Kobe beef YouTube videos lately, man. That stuff looks good. I've actually never had Wagyu, to my knowledge. My sister-in-law told me I had a Wagyu burger once, but I don't know. And even if I had a Wagyu burger, ain't the same as a Wagyu steak. I don't think so. Anyway, guys, I do got to get ready. I got a wedding to go to later today. I got to do some more work. That's all I got in this one. Welcome to the Crypto Report. Thanks for tuning in. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to do some trading on your own, you can sign up for Blowfin, a non-KYC required exchange. I've got it pinned in the comment section for you guys. Lorenzo in Tokyo, John 316, my friends. We've got it's Summers in the chat. I'll come to your vow renewals. Maybe we'll get a steak. Who knows? Let me know, guys. I love hearing about your lives and getting to know you guys a little bit more and learning about your experience in crypto. I'm excited for this bull market. You guys know that by now. I'm ready. I got a kid on the way. Let's make some money, guys. Let's have some fun. Let's do some more live streams. Keep tuning in, guys. Keep throwing questions at me. Until next time, I'm Crypto Kip. This is Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace, y'all. See you next time. See you, Bonifazio. See you, Mike Dicka's mustache.